How to update WhatsApp on iPhone and Android. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can update WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store on your Android device. If you're using iPhone, then open up App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, you simply want to type WhatsApp. Go ahead and search for that. Now select the official WhatsApp page. Over here, if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, the downloading has started. If you find open option instead of update, it means that your application has already been updated to the latest version. Now, once the downloading is completed, you will find the open option. It means that your application has been updated. Simply open it and you can start using that. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.